Come test drive 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, backup camera, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.